I done took a nigga bitch and I'm a builder.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come in.
What's up, honey buns? I'm about to do a quick beat for y'all. Something really natural. Really natural. But it's okay. Hey y'all, so as you can see, my eyebrows are looking a mess, and I just had to finesse them real quick. Like, I ain't had time to narrow them. I ain't had time to go over them with the eyebrow archer, you know, the blade. I was just in a rush, y'all, and I was just like, let me just go ahead and do a little something. So let's fix these brows, honey, because and now that I'm looking at it, I kind of wish that I would have made that tail a little bit thicker. Y'all, please excuse that bump in the middle of my forehead. Like, that was really bothering me. And so now I am going to go in with my LA Pro concealer, and I think that's the shade Warm Sand. I usually go with Fun, but I don't know if it's me. Y'all comment down below if if y'all be seeing this too. But it's like with the hair store products, it's like when you pick up certain products, it just don't look good. You know what I'm saying? Like, the color look different, and it's like stuff is like separated in it, and when you try to shake it up in the store, it just looks crazy. You know what I'm saying? So I just went with a different shade, and I really don't see anything wrong with Warm Sand. Like, I really don't. Yeah, this is one of my favorite parts of doing the eyebrows, when you shading it to get that ombre effect. And y'all know I'm just gonna go in with my brush and tap that concealer in, and you just want to tap it, pat it, and you can go, like, you can squash it sometimes, but not all the times. I would recommend you to just pat. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with that brown color I just showed you at that Juvia's Place palette. Y'all, let me just say this. I have a lot of other eyeshadow palettes. I really do. But it's just something about that Juvia's Place palette that draws me to it every time. Like, when I tell you every time, and y'all can go back and look at most of my other videos, I would use that palette so much. I don't care if I just need a piece of a color out of there. I'm gonna use it, okay? Don't come for me. So anyway, I am gonna take that brown, and that is gonna be my transition color. And yes, you do that evenly on both sides, and then I'm gonna come in with my other color. At first I was gonna deepen that brown up a little, But I kind of like how it was, you know, matching with my skin tone. Mind you, you know, we're doing a soft glam, so I didn't want to do too much. You know, not too much. Next, I am gonna go in with a shimmer color. Yeah, y'all, that's kind of how I do like the real basic eyeshadow looks. I just do like a brown transition color and then just come on the lid and do like some type of shimmer. Sometimes I would normally do gold or like a light white, you know, but that was like a shimmer beige color. And I'm gonna bring it all together. I'm really not trying to do a cut crease. Y'all know I would have, if I really wanted to do a cut crease, I would have had to use another product and another brush and all of that. Okay, so next we are going to go in with our black eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. And y'all, that eyeliner is from Dollar Tree. And I don't like it. I'm gonna be real with y'all. I don't like it. I mean, I can't even tell y'all that it gets the job done. Like, I don't like how when you put it on, it's not dark. You know what I'm saying? It's like it blends in with the makeup, the eyeshadow. And so now I'm going in with my Pond's Face Moisturizer. And okay, so y'all, this right here, I don't know what made me do this right here. But I started with my liquid eyeliner first. And that was in the shade medium beige, I want to say. I have started off with concealer before and just you know, did my foundation at the bottom. But yeah, I don't know if it was because I kind of moisturized my face first that concealer looked like that up under my eyes. I don't know if that's why, but at the same time, I don't like that, y'all. And I was gonna edit this part out, but I was like, nope, I want them to see it. Like, we're gonna go through it together. We most definitely gonna go through it together. So, you know, now I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses foundation. And y'all, I realized that it was that foundation all along that just made me look orange like that. Like, some of my black Radiance foundation, it'll make me look orange sometimes, but sometimes I can mix it real good. You know what I'm saying? Like, it won't be true to my skin tone, but I can finesse it. Like, you know what I'm saying? But with this, I can finesse this too, but in the same sense, like, if I turn around and make another video or something like that, like, you can see the orangeness in my face. And I don't like that. I really don't like that. But yeah, I'm finna be looking crazy for a hot second. But it's gonna all come together. Y'all just watch. So right here, I'm going back on top of it with the same foundation shade in medium beige. And y'all know I normally would do my foundation first and then put the concealer on top of it, which I think I may just keep doing it like that. I don't know, I'm not sure. And so then I went in with my warm sand, a little on top of it and like on the edge of it. And going down my nose so that I can contour that. Yeah. And y'all just finna see how, you know, everything just end up coming on together. Like, I don't know what else to say. Alright, so I am going to use my yellow beauty blender that I got from Dollar Tree. And y'all, I don't like that beauty blender. I like the shape of it, you know. Yeah, I like the shape of it. But I like it feels wet. And I just feel like I'm just patting wetness in you. Like, I've never sprayed that beauty blender. Never washed it yet because, like I said, it was brand new out the pack. And I don't know if y'all can see what I just did over there on my jaw, but y'all see that circle? Like it's a circle right there. It just, I don't know, just look wet. I don't know. Let me know if y'all see that, because I don't like that. I really don't. And then it look like I'm about to mess up on my nose. I gotta go back in with my foundation brush and just clean it up, honey. Just clean it up. Okay, and so now I am using my black Radiance press powder in Ebony, and I'm going to contour my nose and my jawline. Alright, so now I'm using a little bit of blush, just like a little pink mixed with a little red, just a little bit. But do y'all see what I'm talking about with that first concealer I used? Like how it just got me all white up under the eyes and stuff. So yeah, like I just have to go in with my warm sand and clear that up, honey. Like I don't like that. We gotta fix it. And so then I'm going to go on top of my contour with my highlighter, my all-natural bronze highlighter. And I'm just going to go down my nose with it. And so, y'all, now I am putting on one of my favorite eyelashes from the local beauty supply store, which is the Eye Envy. And this is number 5, y'all. Like, I love me a good number 3 at the shorties, a number 5, a number 7, a number 9, and a number 11. Like, those are my go-tos, like my staples, for real. Look at me batting them wings. Look like my eyes just can't even hang. And I know they couldn't, y'all, because I've been rotating lashes for the past few weeks, and this is my first time kind of getting back into Eye Envy in a while, because I was rocking them Dollar Tree lashes, y'all. Like, they were real cute. Real cute. And so now I'm going in with a little bit of my black eyeliner. I couldn't find my eyeliner that I really wanted, so I had to use the one from Dollar Tree. But it's okay. We gonna finesse it. Now I'm using my Maybelline mascara, and then we're gonna go in on the lips with the Wet n Wild lip liner in Simma brown. And that's SIMMABROWN. Simma Brown. And then we're gonna go on top of that with that pink lipstick. And just, you know, create a natural lip. Yes, we are. And I got that lipstick from the local beauty supply store too. Alright, so y'all know me. When it comes to the end, your girl gotta have a good mold. And I gotta have 2 or more. And I was popping, y'all. I forgot to spray I sprayed my face. I just forgot to record that part. It's okay though. But I'm about to lay these edges. Yeah. Y'all thought y'all was done with me. Y'all thought I was through with y'all. Honey. I done went and got a wig on y'all, baby. Don't play with A. Do not play with Big A, honey. I done went and got this wig for y'all, trying to brush it out and do this little finished look. I'ma do it, honey. Okay, alright. Tell me what you think. And period. Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and you know exactly what to do. Bye, y'all. Mwah.
You understand?